Today's video is for my curly-haired friends. I get asked this all the time. This video is probably going to change your life if you have naturally curly hair, because I'm going to walk you through a very quick tutorial on how I have repaired the health of my hair and also how I have created this look super easy, super simple, low maintenance, but it looks natural, it's not crunchy, it's not oily, it maintains the frizz, and it really enhances your natural beauty and your natural curls. So let me get you there. I'm going to walk you through all the steps, all the do's and the don'ts of having natural curly hair, and let's get your curly hair and your curls in tip-top shape. Let's get going. These are some of the products that I love. This is not sponsored. These are just products that I swear by, and I'll try to link them below for you. But let me get into the tips. So the first tip is I only shampoo my hair once a week, maybe twice a week, and I keep the shampoo concentrated at the scalp, not at the ends. Some days I will wet my hair in the shower on the ends, and I use a curl hydration conditioner, and I leave that in and I let it soak in while I wash my face and my body, etc. Then I will do a gentle rinse with cold water, and the cold water is going to help seal the cuticle of the hair. Now the next tip, do not brush or comb your hair once you are out of the shower. This is going to prevent unwanted frizz. I only thoroughly comb my hair in the shower 1 to 2 times a week when I have the deep conditioner on. Tip number 3, apply your hair serum and your products as soon as you get out of the shower, before makeup, before skincare, because you want your hair to be almost dripping wet, and this is going to help distribute the product really well. Tip number 4, I get my hands a little wet before I apply the serum and product in my hands, and this also helps to distribute the product a little bit better. I use a small amount on each side, and I use a gentle motion. I kind of pancake my hands together and evenly apply. It will take some trial and error to understand how much product you need for your hair. Tip number 5, I grab an old cotton t-shirt and I flip my hair upside down, and I very gently and slowly scrunch large groups of hair into the t-shirt. A towel does not work as well because it creates a different kind of texture and more frizz. So scrunching with a t-shirt helps to tell your hair to be curly today. You really have to tell your hair what to do. And now it's just the waiting game. My hair dries in about 2 hours to be fully dry, but I'm also in Austin, Texas, which is super humid. And during this time, I do not touch my hair at all. I just let it dry. Now, some extra tips. When I go to sleep, I gently roll my hair up in a bun and I secure it with a loose satin or silk scrunchie. Another tip is I refresh my curls the next day with a spray bottle, and this is how I gently guide the curls around my finger into little ringlets, and that's how I join together any surface area frizz. And here is the final completed look. Look how easy that was. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you do have any questions about hair, about skincare, about makeup, leave your comments below because I'm always here and happy to help. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. Hopefully you've subscribed to my channel so that you can get all these beauty tips and skincare tips, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.